welcome back to the another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to migrate to Kotlin 2.0 in easy steps. So Kotlin 2.0 has arrived, so it's bringing you a new exciting features and enhancement to elevate your Android application development experience. So let's jump into this comprehensive tutorial where I will be guiding you through the migration process step by step, ensuring a smooth transition to harness the latest Kotlin achievements. So before you begin, the first thing you have to do is you need to back up your project. So why do we need to back up the project? Because if anything goes wrong, like if you make any changes, and if like a migration process go wrong, then you always have the possibility to revert your code back. Okay, so this will help you to in the case you make any errors. And then the second thing is you have to also check your compatibility. So you have to ensure your IDE, that is your Android Studio, your built-in tools and dependencies are compatible with Kotlin 2.0.0. So you have to update to the latest stable version of Android Studio. So I have used the latest version. As you can see here, I'm using Koala feature drop to 2024.1.2. so this is making so I'm easily compatible with the Kotlin 2.0. So okay, so the first step in the migration is you need to obviously go to your version catalog file, that's like lib versions.toml file, and you need to update the Kotlin versions there. Okay, so I'm using Kotlin 2.0.0 as you can see here. So this is being used in my plugin. As you can see here, like I have a compose compiler. This compose compiler, I'm using the Kotlin versions 2.0.0 compose compiler. Okay, so this is the first thing you have to do. Then you have to use the to in your, so first thing is you need to go to your root project. Okay, so this is your application. Okay, this is my Android Compose Studio. This is my project. So I have the like a build Gradle. So this is my root build Gradle file. So here I'm gonna use this plugin compose compiler. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply it through false. Okay, this is the second thing you have to do. And then you have to also in your project level build.gradle, that is your app level build.gradle file, update the Kotlin Gradle plugin version. So you have to have this libs plugin compose compiler. You need to apply this, right? And then after, you need to include the BOM files. Okay, so bills of material files to manage the dependencies and avoid conflicts. So you need to use the Kotlin BOM. So I'm using this Kotlin BOM. As you can see here, this is my Kotlin BOM version. Okay, so I'm using this version 1.8.2.0. okay, and I'm also using compose BOM. This is used to manage the dependency and avoid the conflict. Okay, I'm also using the compose BOM. Okay, let me see, where is my compose BOM? Yes, compose BOM version Kotlin. Okay, let me go and check out. I'm also using the Kotlin compose BOM. This is my compose BOM. Okay, so this is my compose BOM, as you can see here. Okay, so that's it, guys. And then after that, guys, you need to upgrade the Android section. So in the Android sections, you need to go to your Android section here. This is my Android section of your build.gradle.kotlin file. Here you need to first you need to update the Kotlin options like JVM target. So Kotlin option JVM targets, you need to update to 17 or higher if your project supports it. Okay, like you need to update to 17. Okay, for the moment I'm using 17. You also need to your compile options, so like your source like your you need to also update your compile options to version 17, not 1.0. okay, and also you need to enable strong skipping mode compose compiler to true. And then you also need to remove the Kotlin remove the compose options block. Okay, so this is the thing you have to do. And why do we need to remove the compose options block? Because it's no longer needed with the new compose compiler. Okay, and And that's it. You just need to be go to your build, clean the project, rebuild the project. Okay. And you need to test thoroughly if there is any changes for your, like, if there is a conflict or potential issues. And that's it, guys. You can just pretty much run your application, and it's pretty running fine. That's it. It's pretty simple guide for migrating to Kotlin 2.0.0 in easy steps. Thank you, guys.